Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete Instagram account temporarily in your iPhone. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Instagram account. This is very easy and simple process. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to delete Instagram account temporarily in your iPhone. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Now at the bottom right corner you can see your profile icon, tap on that. Then at the top right corner you can see 3 horizontal lines, tap on that. Now go to the option settings. Now tap on that option account. Now at the bottom you can see delete account option, tap on that. Now tap on deactivate account option. Now here you have to select this option, why are you deactivating your account? Select the option. Here I will be choosing privacy concerns. Now scroll down and you have to enter your password here. After that you have to tap on temporarily deactivate account on that blue icon. Tap on yes. You can see that I have easily deactivated my Instagram account. In this way, you can also easily deactivate your Instagram account temporarily in your iPhone. I hope now you guys are clear about how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily in iPhone. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Comment down below what you guys wanna see next. Thank you.